Seventh question. A bomb initially at rest at a height of 40 meters above the ground suddenly explodes into two identical fragments. One of them starts moving vertically downwards with an initial speed of 10 meters per second. If acceleration due to gravity is 10 meters per second square, what is the separation between the fragments 2 seconds after the explosion? Okay, so this is our bomb which is initially at rest from the height h is equals to 40 meters from the ground. Then it is due to internal reactions, it is explodes into two fragments. One fragment is going to downward with a speed of 10 meters per second, that is a speed of 10 meters per second, and another one is moving opposite to that of fragment 1 upward direction with the same speed. Then what is the distance of separation between the fragment 2 and fragment 1? This is the fragment 1 and it is our fragment 2. So what is the after explosion distance between the fragment 1 and fragment 2 is how much? So this is initial position. Okay, then from here how much displacement for the fragment 1 and displacement for the fragment 2, calculate after calculation we can get the s1 plus s2, that is displacement between the fragment 1 and fragment 2. So first we have to find out that this s1 is how much, means after explosion how much displacement got by this fragment 1, and same how much displacement for the fragment 2. So s1 plus s2 is nothing but our distance between fragment 1 and fragment 2. So first take the fragment 1. So what is this? A bomb is explodes into two equal fragments. Fragment 1. Okay, fragment 1. What is happening for fragment 1? Fragment 1 is moving with velocity u1, that is u1 velocity is already given, that is moving downward with 10 meters per second. So where is it? Two identical fragments and one of them starts moving vertically downward with an initial speed of 10 meters per second. Initial speed, that is how much? This is 10 meters per second downward, so that's why it is minus. Then after 2 seconds, okay, so this is what is the separation between the fragments? 2 seconds. Okay, so how much distance traveled after explosion in 2 seconds, that is we want to find out the s1. This s1 is nothing but here displacement in 2 seconds after the explosion. So time t is equal to here 2 seconds. A is equals to already here mentioned, that is 10 meters per second square. Okay, this A acceleration due to gravity is 10 meters per second square. So this is 10 meters per second square. A is equal to minus g, that is minus 10 meters per second square. Find out the S1. S1, it is moving downward direction, so that's why I'm taking here negative, is equals to, from the formula, S is equals to V naught T plus of A T square. Okay, so from this formula, this is S1, that is displacement of the fragment 1, which is downward, so minus, is equals to V naught is here U1. Okay, initial speed, that is how much, minus 10 into time is 2 seconds plus half into A is equals to minus 10, that is gravitational force G, and into T is 2 seconds whole square. So that is minus S1 is equals to, this is minus 20 plus 2 1s are 2 5s are, that is minus plus into minus, minus 2 2s are 2 square, that is 4 4 5, it is 20. So this is minus S1 is equal to minus 40, minus minus gets cancelled, that is S1 is equal to 40 meters. So after explosion, the fragment 1 displacement in 2 seconds is 40 meters. Like that for fragment 2. For fragment 2. So fragment 2 is moving opposite to the direction of fragment 1. So fragment 2 is moving opposite to fragment 1. So its initial velocity u2 is equals to, here we have taken minus 10, so opposite to minus 10 means here 10 meters per second, and in 2 seconds the displacement is how much, that is S2 is equal to how much. So write down here again, S is equals to V naught T plus of AT square. Okay, so from this S here, it is S2, this is the displacement, that is S2 is equal to, it is positive because it is moving upward direction. So V naught is positive, that is 10 into 2, that is in 2 seconds, plus half into A is always minus 10, that is minus 10 into, it is 2 square. So that is equals to, this is 20 plus into minus, minus 2 1s are 2 5s are, 2 square is 4, 4 into 5, that is 20. So S2 is equals to 20 minus 20, that is 0, that is S2 is equal to 0. So the distance of separation between fragment 1 and 2 is S1 plus S2, that is S1 plus S2 is equal to, S1 is 40 meters, S2 is 0, so that is equals to total 40 meter is the distance of separation between the two fragments.